You're looking happy today. On the old Reynolds.
Alice.
But it is literally all hands on deck.
Magic it is, I've got no
magic.
Look, it's a different car, lad.
What are we doing now?
Sit now, we're going home.
Lunch. Look at all this then. Honestly, the BD boys have smashed us out the park with this. Good morning, boys. You doing, Ben? You're excited, look. You're looking happy today.
Living life.
You're looking happy today. Ben has actually dropped a few of the aero catch bolts inside the bonnet today, but
enough to keep the bonnet closed.
That's enough to keep the bonnet closed. He's going to put some new styled. What was he on about there? He was on about these little scoops, wasn't you? Going up here on the old Reynolds, you said.
Yeah, I'm going to cut a big hole in the bonnet so I can get all the nuts out that I dropped.
How we doing, Alan? All good?
Alice.
Well, Steve. I mean, sorry, Steve. That's better. All good this morning?
Yeah.
Lovely. Well, I'll go find Lee and Darren on that in a minute. But anyway, guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Luke and this is LBTV. And today we're back here for the final day of trying to get this Clio ready. It's a bit of a tough challenge and the lads are working hard to try and get it done. I'm gonna give them a hand in a bit, but it is literally all hands on deck and it is pretty much all go. So we've got to crack on and see what's gonna happen. I think the air catch is going in, the battery's got to be relocated. And there's one thing I actually got to show you, which I did last night, but I didn't actually film it. 2 seconds. So in the boot, you'll be able to see that the interior is now all black. Believe it or not, I did all this with a spray can. For some reason, some people on Instagram think I haven't. I've got a spray gun for this, but nope, I actually used some black spray can, satin black from her Euro car parts, which is kind of really nice. It's gonna look really good for when the cage goes in. I don't think any of you know what the colour of the cage is yet, but you might start to know now, considering I've painted this black. But yeah, it's gonna be sweet. So we've got some like push button catches for the bumper. As you know, I've got aero catches from the bonnet, but I want to be able to take this front bumper off quite easily in case I've got to change anything, any brackets like radiator brackets or anything like underneath. Because as you know,
when you crash,
I tend to have a crash. Yeah, I was literally, Alan, you beat me to that. You literally beat me to that then. So Ben's going to explain to you what these are and how they work. And then Ben?
It's magic it is. I've got no idea.
Magic?
Yeah, that's going to mount on the body.
Yeah.
Got a bit of a ball thing there, and that's going to be on the bumper there somewhere. When it literally just, it's amazing. Just clicks in, and then when you want to take it off.
Snap your fingers, Ben, and once you snap your fingers, they'll be done. Hey, there we go, look at that. Bumper, what do you reckon, Ben? That was quick, wasn't it?
Dead easy,
that was dead easy, look. Ben did that in under 5 seconds within a clip. Now there you go. What do you lot reckon? The transformation is incredible. Thanks to the boys down here at BD anyway. It does.
Transformation, we just bought that from
yeah, that is better out, that's better out the factory.
Look, it's a different car, lads. We just drilled some holes in it and put a sticker on it.
Yeah, and put some...
when they PDI'd it, they didn't put the Renault badge on, so just...
Yeah, it's definitely looking a lot better now. I've got the quick release buttons on, which Ben actually really likes, isn't he, Ben? Fan of them.
Yeah, I like them, look good.
Looks cool.
Much better than the rubber band Jap stuff.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, that's looking good. So next fix now, I've got the fog light surround inserts I'm just going to spray them gloss black, just cheaply done. Put them in. And then I think what's left to do after that is... Oh, I need to sort out this headlight. For some reason, this headlight is...
That matches you so perfectly.
What's that?
Perfectly.
What's that?
Cheap.
Yeah, this headlight for some reason not working, but for now it's not actually able to fit anymore. For some reason when you put the headlight on before, that indicator bulb used to stay on, but that's all sorted. It's just the bulb. It's just not. Yeah, I know. It's all. It's
side lights and indicators.
You get Euro spec on the French car, but yeah, it's all sweet. So yeah, I don't really know anything else. What are we doing now?
Sit now. We're going home.
Lunch.
We're gonna have lunch.
All right, lunch break it is then. All right, well, Santa's sorting out the overspray that I messed up. Having a great time, aren't you?
Loving it.
And Ben's going to be working on the splitter, the indestructible splitter. Never seems like it's going to break. It'll stay there. It's still in great condition, isn't it, Ben?
How you can
retail that,
How
mate.
you can rip the front end of your car off,
but not.
And that is in one piece. I don't know.
But yeah, Ben's going to do that, and then I think I've just got to whack those fog inserts in. We've got to figure out what's going on with that headlight, and then me and my mate Lee are heading down to go and get, because there's a part that I need for the bonnet to close properly, but he thinks that any old Clio has them, so we're going to go down to a scrappy and see if we can pick some up. Oh, look at the whip, Lee. I like this. Woo woo. Oh mate, at least you got the facelift steering wheel. I ain't got the gash one. Oh, copyright. Look at all this then. We've got to find a Clio Mark III and all this. amongst it. Well, walking out, we couldn't actually, they wouldn't let us film in there. So Lee imagines, well, I found our red car and Lee went straight up and grabbed what we needed.
Easy.
Sorted.
Easy as that.
Come down the scrapyard. It's a hell of a scrapyard, this is. And it's free, yeah, to be fair. There you are. There you go, Ben.
Yeah.
Yeah, mate, look at that.
Nice one.
For free.
Cool.
And you want this, innit?
You can have the keys, yeah.
Sorry, mate.
Fucking good with you, isn't it?
Are we looking?
Find the white one.
Are we looking on this one now?
Yeah.
Look at that. Okay, now.
I'm not doing defect removal for you.
Ben's managed to fix the lights. Oh mate, look at that. Now that is, mate, that's better than brand new, that.
Like
isn't
a
it?
new one, mate.
That's
Like a new one.
Like a new one. He's got the splitter on now as well. Needs a clean, but look at that. What do you reckon, Santa? Ticks the boxes, doesn't it? Mate, he's got that pretty much bang on as well, with the lines and everything, isn't it? Mate, that looks mint. That's banging. I think what I gotta do now, I wanna get this chair back in, because obviously I've got to take it off to up to Lincoln or whatever tomorrow. So I'll get the seat back in, make sure that's all good. Now it's all black in there anyway. I'll get it all done, although some of it is still wet, to be fair. Takes a while to dry, doesn't it?
I told you.
Should I stick the heaters on, do you reckon?
I'd
Yeah.
start the engine, close
The doors and stick the heaters on blast, yeah. Right, so let's see what's going on here. What's going on, Ben?
I'm just trying to make sure I don't drill through your brake lines.
Oh, lovely. So, Ben's got the cage for where the battery's going to sit in. He's already got the wires and put it all through the firewall.
Oh, yeah.
So Santa's having a right lie down. Do you want a tickle? Do you want a ball tickle when you ball? And then we've got some fresh spark plugs. Dan just also ordered up a set of original, I think it's Boogord or Boogord, I can't remember how you say it. Cool packs, because we need to put all of that in as well. So this car's been running absolutely mint. Right then, you so this is the actual, well, the box, spark plugs, well, the cool packs coming, I mean. So genuine, I think it's Boogard or something like that. Cool packs. This apparently is the cool packs that Renault get from factory. It's the best ones to use. So I'll whip one out of the box a second.
Say Peugeot on them.
Well, Alan would better say Peugeot on them. And this is how they look. So the old ones are down there. There's a note, obviously that's covered in Renault, but this is how, yeah, it's got EFI written on it. I believe EFI are the ones that remap. You can get remapped by EFI as well. But yeah, that's the right core packs you want to get, lads, if you want to whack it in your RS200s. Alright, so everything's in. The engine mount's back in now the right way. So Lee, do you want to fire it up? Is that our gear? Fire it up. See if it's all sweet. Yeah, boy. Not even missing at all. Lovely. Dude, that sounds sweet as well. Buzzing with that. So we're gonna get the Lee's in there at the minute. Just do it. It's probably quite loud. Lee's in there at the minute. Putting the seat back in for me. And then once the seat's in, I think we can just pretty much drop the car down. I think it's sweet. It's all done. Honestly, the BD boys have smashed this out the park with this. Right, that's that then. Pull her out, Lee. Right, pulling faces. Well, pull it there, yeah, put it over here. Hey, all the lights working and everything as well. Look at that. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, I'll do ya. Well, out we get. We're gonna grab a quick BD photo and then end off the video in a sec. Anyway guys, here's the car. Honestly, I'm lost for words. Like, I'd never thought I'd be able to see it in this state ever again. Like, the guys at BD have done a banging job, you know what I mean, an incredible job. Like, Ben has gone above and beyond to, you know, Ben even stayed on tonight as well, even when he wanted to go home and stuff like that. And the rest of the lads as well, Alan, got Darren here, has been supportive since day one of the car company. He was actually rang me up and said, Luke, do you want me to bring the car up to South Wales depot and then get it up to here? And then he started a series off and rebuilding it, and it's just been magic ever since. It's been amazing, and I've loved the experience from being even up here, having a great time. We've had a laugh. I've bombarded the inside, spraying it myself in black. I've had a I've had a mad time.
keen
You wait
at
till
all.
summer comes, it's going to be a greenhouse inside
Tommy,
there now.
comment in Luke's comments down below what happened when you didn't key your Fiesta, was it? I think
What's
it's ST150 that
Yeah.
you sprayed inside
Yeah.
and you didn't.
Scotch Brite, whatever it is.
Yeah, that's it. That's the word.
Scotch Brite.
You forget last night.
I didn't do any of that, but
12
yeah.
o'clock last night, dedication. If you haven't seen or don't know what dedication it is,
Yeah.
it's coming back to my house at midnight
Yeah.
with his missus, to be fair.
Yeah,
when
shout
he's been
out to Shannon, because she's been gold as well.
Yeah.
She's been good.
Brilliant, mate.
She's been
Brilliant.
amazing and been up here and helping me out. But lads and ladies, those you watching, like if you're in the area or if you're looking for anyone to work on your car, I cannot recommend BD Performance enough. And I'm not saying that because I'm friends with Darren, I'm friends with all the lads in here. I'm personally saying that because I would happily make the trip 1,000 times to come up here and get work done on my car if I could. Especially like all my free time, I've had at the minute, I've actually been up here. Like the last time I had a holiday, I was up here. When I've now been able to come off and come do it myself and come up here again, I've come up here again. So for those of you who want to get involved, get bits done to your car, I highly recommend BD Performance. They go above and beyond, and yeah, that's it. But anyway, guys, we're gonna wrap up today's video. What do you reckon? Anything else to say?
we've got to thank on your video as well, Wilson's.
Oh yeah.
James, mate, thanks for doing this, mate. It's been absolutely amazing. I'm sure you're going to include them bits
Yeah.
of his badly filmed footage. in
Yeah,
your
if there's
video.
anything that's in portrait that you would have seen.
Yeah, that's it. That's
it.
James's handiwork. Thanks to Gav, mate. You absolutely pulled an awesome blinder
Yeah, yeah.
sorting out this paint. You know, it was a lot of work to make it somewhere near. Thanks to Mark, the guy with the dent in the side as
Yeah,
well.
that guy's
just
a
people, you
magician.
know, it's not just us.
Yeah.
We just did the easy bits of bolting stuff on. All right, Ben did a few mods, but and
It's the
straightened a
people
few bits
behind it
out.
all that don't
It's
get
not just
recognition,
one person;
yeah.
it's a team, mate.
If we could have everyone here and you
Yeah, we
know
would
me
have.
saying thank you to everyone and getting them all on camera, I would. But a lot of people like to keep their private lives to themselves, which is understandable. But honestly, if you guys are watching that got involved with this car, I cannot thank you all enough. You've been great. Like every single company that's got involved with cars has been sweet. But yeah, there we go, guys. If you're not already subscribed to BD Performance, go do that now and smash a like on their videos because they've done a series on rebuilding the car. Obviously, I've just come up here and done my last bits. But if you want to check out the full series from when it started to the end product now, go check it out. I'll leave a link to their playlist for that in the description down below. But for now, guys, yeah, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the bell button to be notified every single time I upload. And we'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
See you later, guys.